Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make cashew milk. I already have on my channel the almond milk recipe, I will link that in the description box below. Unlike almond milk, you don't have to strain cashew milk, that is a huge benefit and makes the process even easier and faster. So let's begin. First, we're gonna soak 1 cup of raw cashews in warm water for at least 4 hours or even better overnight. After that, we're gonna drain and rinse them. To the blender, we're gonna add cashews, 4 cups of filtered water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup, and a pinch of sea salt. Cover with the lid and blend it on high for a minute or so until it's smooth and creamy. Pour the cashew milk in a storage container and refrigerate for an hour or so before enjoying it. And that's it, you've got creamy and easy recipe of homemade cashew milk. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, consider to give the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Also be sure to click the notification bell to be the first to see my next video. See you next time. Bye!